Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. I hope that you will like this video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so you get all of our recipes as they post. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. This morning, I wanted to show you a very quick and easy recipe. It's one of my favorites, and it's not only my favorite because it tastes delicious, but because it is so easy to throw together. It's Mississippi chicken. So for this, you'll need these ingredients that I have right here. So chicken broth, black pepper. You need ranch dressing. You need a package of au jus. Excuse me. You need some banana peppers, or you can use pepperoncinis. And you will need 1 stick of butter and 1 onion that I have thickly sliced. And then, of course, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of chicken. We buy ours on sale and then just put it in bags in the freezer. So let's put this one together. This recipe I'm throwing together before I go to work today, and it will be ready when I get home. You could do that as well, or during the busy holidays, it'd be great to throw on and then go about your day running errands or Christmas shopping or decorating, and then you'll have a nice meal for your family as well. So we will start by putting thickly sliced onions. When I say thickly, I've got like 1/2 inch. Just put these on the bottom of your crock pot, and I have sprayed my crock pot with a nonstick spray just because I like really easy cleanup. So you can do what you want to with yours. Now we will add our chicken. So I have 3 large boneless chicken breasts. So I will add these on top of the onion. So you'll just add these in on top of those onions. Our chicken breast, I had taken it out of the freezer last night, and I had marinated it in some of the juices from the banana peppers, just to add a little bit more flavor to it. It's not required. Now I'm going to add the au jus and the ranch. You will just sprinkle this over your chicken. I'm starting with the au jus. I don't think it matters which one you start with. And then the ranch. Now, I'm not going to add any additional salt in this because both of these sauces have plenty of salt in them. I am going to add some smoked black pepper. Add it to your taste. The smoked pepper is my favorite, guys. If you can find it in your area, I highly suggest it. Now we will add our banana peppers. You can add as many as you want for yours. We like ours a little bit more tasty. We'll be putting about 1/2 of a jar in there. We will also be adding some of the juice. That's about 1/2. Now comes the broth. You will add 1 cup of broth. It will not completely cover your chicken, but you will have plenty of sauce in this when it's done. And then our butter. You will add 1 stick of butter. I have cut mine up in small pieces so that I can place it around. Guys, that's it. We'll now put the lid on this. We're going to set this on low for 6 hours, and we'll come back and look at it then and see if it's done. I'm almost positive it will be. This is not my first rodeo with this Mississippi chicken. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. Look at those pieces of chicken. That is just gorgeous. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to go get you a plate. Guys, I have this all plated. The easiest dinner ever, and it is so tasty. Guys, look how tender and moist this chicken is. This is going to be a delightful dinner. Guys, you're going to like this one. You got to try it. Give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and also hit those notifications so you get all of my recipes as they post. And until next time, you guys be safe and God bless.